Let us read the question, beta. It says an experiment has 3 mutual outcomes. Mutually, यहाँ पे word रह गया है, please write down, mutually exclusive outcomes. Mutually exclusive outcomes A, B, and C. Probability of A, B, and C is given to you. Which of the following statements are true? तो बेटा पहले I want to just tell you 3 तरीके की हमें definitions clear होनी चाहिए. We should be clear with 3 kind of definitions. बेटा पहले को बोलते हैं हम mutually exclusive. बेटा next is known as mutually exhaustive. Beta next is known as independent. Mutually exclusive. Exclusive means exclude karte hue. There is nothing common between the two. So mutually exclusive means that A और B के बीच में कुछ भी common नहीं है. Mutually exhaustive मतलब A और B मिलाकर पूरा सैंपल स्पेस को कवर करते हैं. A and B together capture the entire sample space. There is nothing left after A and B have been there. बेटा म्यूचुअली इंडिपेंडेंट का मतलब होता है, सॉरी इंडिपेंडेंट का मतलब होता है that probability of A intersection B is A into B. A के होने से B को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. They are independent of each other. I am given exclusive and independent. हाँ बेटा अब पढ़ो यहाँ पे. It says that they are exclusive मतलब इनमें कुछ भी common नहीं है. Are they independent also? Is A and C independent? तो A और C के independent होने का क्या मतलब हो गया? That probability of A into probability of C should be equal to probability of A intersection C. But A and C are mutually exclusive. हमें दिया हुआ है कि mutually exclusive है, मतलब इनमें कुछ भी common नहीं है. So we are given that probability of A intersection C is 0. There is nothing common between A and C. A and C में कुछ भी common नहीं है. So if there is nothing common between A and C, तो probability of A intersection C will be 0. बेटा बट अगर इंडिपेंडेंट है तो A इंटरसेक्शन C A इंटू C के बराबर होना चाहिए. सो मतलब प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ A इंटू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ C 0 होना चाहिए. बट इज दैट द केस? नो. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ A इंटू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ C जो है वो 0.12 इंटू 0.27 है. दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. तो A इंटू C A इंटरसेक्शन C के बराबर तो नहीं है. द टू आर नॉट इक्वल टू ईच अदर. So we can say that they are not independent. This is cancelled. हाँ बेटा. Now if I look at the option, wherever I will see A, I can simply eliminate those options. क्योंकि A itself is false. So if A is false, wherever I see A, I can just eliminate those options. So I will be left up with D. But let me just do it with another method also. Let me just take a look at other options. The next option is saying that probability A and B is 0. Yes. A and B matlab A intersection B is 0. And this is true because they are mutually exclusive. Exclusive matlab unme kuch bhi common nahi hai. So their intersection should be 0. That's correct. Probability of A, B or C. So probability of B or C का क्या मतलब हो गया बेटा? B union C. So इसका फॉर्मूला हो गया B plus C minus B intersection C. But they are mutually exclusive. They don't have anything in common. So B intersection C will be 0. So beta, can I write this as B plus C minus 0? So this will be B plus C. तो यही तो किया हुआ है. This is correct. So the statement B and C are actually correct. Both the statements are true. So answer to this should be fourth one. This is the correct answer. ओके बेटा, ओके, थैंक यू।